What XAMPP? XAMPP is a cross-platform web server solution for the production of websites and applications. Okay, um, we can get it for free by coming here and saying we can just Google download XAMPP for Windows, and at apachefriends.org we can just check the version we want. Okay, and this looks like the version, like the most recent version today, so we can just download this quickly. Okay, so we have it here, it's downloading. It's finished here, so we can just click the this is the installer here. Oh, wait, we have a mistake. It's downloading a file. It's downloading an .html file. So let me click that and come here. So we have it downloading here now. So you can just come here and this is the file we're looking for. So I can come to the location, and we have it in the downloads here. So you can just have a duplicate. So you can just come in and delete this in the meantime. You can just come here and okay, and we can run it. Let me push it. Let me push it into. Okay, let's leave it here. We can run it here. So run that, and we just wait. We just click OK here. Then next, I want my MySQL, FileZilla, Topcat, Pro. Okay. PHP MyAdmin, Webalizer. Okay, PHP, I think that's selected by default, I believe. Okay, so whichever ones we don't want, we can just remove them. I think this one is for your database, your FileZilla for your file, your directories, MySQL for database communication. So that's okay. I can just click next. I want it to be saved in C drive. So English save setup is ready. So we start installing. Okay, and it's just a waiting game from now on. Okay. So click allow here. Then we click finish, and it should automatically start. So now when you want to run if you're building a website, you're working with WordPress installations, you can just click your Apache and your MySQL, and you can start that just by clicking start and start. Okay, then I'll click allow here. So basically from here on in, you can continue whatever project you're working on that requires the use of a web server like XAMPP. I think, to me, I've worked with AMP. think I've worked with AMP, then WAMP. There's also WAMP and there's LAMP, I think, for Linux users. Okay, but I think XAMPP is cross-platform for most of them. It should work for most systems. Okay, and it's not as buggy as it used to be at one time, but now it's smooth running. It's good and robust, and I think you would love it. So, thank you.